Hello my bright friends. Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys this great website that actually I used to use when I was your guys' age. Alright, so first we are going to start at my teacher website. You guys should know this website, or you guys should at least have it down and know how to get to it, but if not, I'm going to show you up here in the left hand corner. I'm going to just go back and forth, underline it. Make sure you guys have that website down, okay? There's a lot of resources on this website that we use. Alright, so then we're going to go over here to the right, and we're going to hover over the ILB file, and we're going to go down to the informational resource. Alright, and this page should pop up, of course, and we see that we have 3 great examples, and I would love you guys to explore these other 2 examples, maybe on your own time, or maybe in class and stuff like that. But if not, I'm just going to show you the one example today. We are going to click over here on this website called Cool Math. And I want to make sure that you guys are clicking on the one that's embedded in my teacher website, because there are 2. But this one is definitely the most beneficial out of the 2 because they have more resources and they just have a lot more cool stuff that you guys will see in a couple seconds. Alright, so here we are at our website, and I know what you guys are already thinking. You guys probably already see it. Up in the corner it says Cool Math Games. So yes, this website is basically games and video games, but it is actually an educational website. I know, tricked you guys, sorry. But what this website actually does is, alright, so like I was saying before, this website actually what it does is it creates games to help build your math skills up. And if you feel like you're struggling in a certain topic, or you feel that you just need a little bit of practice just to get your confidence up, this is basically the place to go to. So the reason I took you guys to this website is because I want to show you guys that you guys can actually use this throughout all of your school years. You can use it in middle school, you can use it in high school, you can even use it in college if you feel like you need some extra practice with your math. Alright, so we see up here pre-algebra, algebra, pre-calculus, obviously these are not topics that you guys are learning right now or will be learning until you guys get higher up in grades. So that's why I brought you here, is to show you guys that, like I said, you can use this throughout your whole entire school. So I'm just going to move myself real quick over here in the corner. I hope that's not too distracting. There we go. So I can actually show you guys what website we are going to explore. So we're going to go down here, and over here it says our other website. So we're going to click on Math for Kids. So it should take us to this website. Alright, perfect. So as we can see, we have a lot of cool math games over here. Sorry about that, you guys. It seems like I lost a little bit of Wi-Fi, so it stopped my recording for a second, but here we are back again. Alright, so like I was saying before, we see a lot of cool math games, and they have math games that you can do by yourself, which are solo games, or you can be in a team, or you can do duo games. There's basically a lot of different ways that will help you guys practice. So we're actually going to scroll down, and we're going to go down, and we see right here we have our topics. So this is basically, let's say last week we were talking about addition and subtraction and things like that. If you feel like you were still a little bit confused, or you just needed a little bit of extra practice to boost your confidence, this is definitely the place you're going to go. So we scroll down, and we are just going to click on it. So make sure you click in the middle of the icon if you want to go to games, okay? I'm going to go back and show you guys how to access the lessons and all that stuff. So we're going to go down, and it says, how does addition work? And we see all these really cool additional games. Alright, so let's just click on this one, the Alien Edition. Let's load this game just to give you guys a little general idea that these are actual games, because I don't want you guys to think, oh, these are games, she's just trying to trick us. No, these games are actually really cool and really fun. I'm going to mute my speaker actually, because I do not want the sound that does play over this video, so let's just mute that. So as we can see, it's going to give us instructions on how to do the game, so let me just use these real quick. Use the arrow to move the laser and fire at the speeds. Okay, that seems pretty simple enough. Alright, so we clicked on normal speed. Alright, so let's start this game. 6. So what is 6 plus 6? So we're going to scoot over and then use the space bar. Alright, so let's see what out of these equations is going to equal 5. So I think I see my equation over here. Oh, there we go. Not as probably high tech as you guys are nowadays. Alright, so 4. So let's see, what is this going to equal? This is going to equal 5, so that's not correct. This is going to equal 6. This one is going to equal 8. So I think this one is going to be our best bet. Alright, so we have 8 again. Which one did we see? Oh, looks like I lost. That's okay. It looks like I got 100% accurate though, so I'm okay with that. So let's go back to the home page. Let's just go back and we'll go to Math Games again. So basically, as we saw with the example that I just gave, all the games that you are going to pick have a specific math lesson that's going to help build your skills. Whether you want to practice addition, subtraction, fractions when we get into that, maybe some division and stuff like that. Alright, so this game not only has not only has games, but they also have lessons and quizzes and stuff. So let's click on some lessons, show you guys a little bit around. Alright, so we already did addition before, so let's just keep going with it. And then we're going to go over here to view all. And it should take us to a page. Oh, it looks like it was the same page we were at. Alright, so let's click on how addition works. Let's start with the very first lesson. Alright, and we see here we have some great visual aids. Alright, so this is the very beginning of understanding how addition works. Alright, so I feel like this lesson is pretty straightforward. It definitely just gives you a little bit of understanding if you're more of a visual aid learner and you need definitely to actually see physically something, or if you like to read, and this is just really great examples. And it looks like we even have some quizzes, so once you do the lesson and you play some games and you build your confidence and you build your skills, and it looks like we have an addition quiz that you can actually take to see on how you are progressing. Alright, so I'm actually not going to do the quiz for you guys, but just wanted to show you how to get to the website and things like that, so you can choose the numbers that you want covered. So if you only want to do addition through the numbers 0 and 10, then you're going to stay in there, which is the little basics, and then we have 0 and 5, and then you can just keep going up and up from there. Alright, you guys, so let's see. We're going to go back to the math games now. Alright, so we're back at the home page, and I'm just going to go over just the other tabs that we have. So we did the math games, we did the lessons, we did the quizzes. So let's look right here. It's going to be our 4th tab. And it looks like these are kind of like puzzles that you can kind of do, maybe some puzzle games. I'm not. So let's see, let's click on one of these. It should pop up for us. Here we go, it's loading. Okay, you start by choosing a frame. Oh, let me move myself out of this corner so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Alright, so let's choose a frame. Let's just go simple, let's just do 5. Alright, so I'm going to drag a monster in 1. I'm not really sure. Oh, okay. Now I see. Alright, so let's take this little dude back. It looks like my computer is having some issues, so let's just go back. I'm going to actually just hit the back arrow real quick. I have done these games before, but it seems like there's having some issues maybe today. I'm a little unsure, so let's just go over here to the brain teaser. Sorry about that, you guys. Maybe this is something you guys can explore in your own time. Alright, so let's go with connect the dots. So these are brain teasers. These are kind of like games, but they're more to just kind of challenge you a little bit. They're not as straightforward as the other games. Without lifting your pencil, connect all the dots below with 4 straight lines. Oops. Oh, okay. So I see. Okay, so these are kind of something that you would do on your own kind of piece of paper, and then from there, once you think you have the solution, you're going to click on here in the solution, and it's going to show you the way to actually do it. That is actually really smart. Alright, so let's just go back here, and let's scroll up, and we have click on the More tab. Let's see what other things they have on this great website. Here we go. We have some printable flashcards. Those are always great for math and stuff like that. And it looks like we have some other things that probably you guys won't be getting into until maybe like another year, perhaps. So let's just go home, back to the math games. So the reason I showed you guys this website is to actually show you the all the cool games that they have, the lessons and how it can help you, and if you feel like you need any more help and you don't maybe feel comfortable maybe coming to ask me, or you don't feel comfortable asking questions during class, this is going to be the place that's going to help you definitely with math. And like we seen earlier, we can use this throughout our whole entire school year. And I'm actually going to let you guys know you can actually use this website during school as long as we are on a free time and you have finished all of your daily assignments for that day and you have asked for some computer time. Alright, remember, when we are on the computer, we are always on educational websites, and this is a great new resource for you guys, alright? So I hope you guys liked it. Make sure, I'm just going to show you guys one time how to go back, how to get to this website. So let's go back to the teacher website, hover over the IBL, go to the information resources, and we're going to click on the link that's right here. Make sure you click on the link that's on my website, okay? Don't just look in through Google, because you guys will probably get the wrong website. That's happened to me actually earlier. Alright, so make sure you click on this one, and you get to the other website. Let's see. Yep. And then from there, we're going to click on Math for Kids, and it'll take you to that great website I just showed you guys earlier, alright? So I hope you guys enjoyed this resource, and that some of you guys will actually take advantage of it, alright? So I'll see you guys later.